Like I said, you know, when it comes down to it, and time to go hard to go home. We on R&B today, like I said. The goal is to be nice and clear, hear all the syllables of what you're being hearing. So, you know, when you enjoy your highway ride, I ain't got to run down a whole block to give you the whole definition of what's going on. It's possible, but that's all we need, you know. Real something simple and clean. So you got both sides around. I'm gonna go a 360 around it. Like I said, we on R&B today. So we give you that home theater experience when you're sitting up on the cockpit right here. As you say, like I said before, just follow my face around the world like this here. Let me switch on. Special moment in history. See what we got here. Let me find a song. Yeah, so you got, I don't own the rights to none of this music. I'm just running through my R&B playlist. Of course, we give you the highway setup necessary, like that. That's the highway. We're gonna show up and show out, we're gonna give you this. You like it what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. Have a seat on it.
Snapchat dog filters live from Ibiza. Breakfast on the beach, that means sex is on the beach. You looking like a fruit platter, I'ma bite into your peach and I think about the massage your feet and you got a body, you remind me of my Jeep and I must look amazing with you, cause every time you're on my arm, I got all eyes on me. I need your attention. Put your body on.
You gotta hear my reggae, you know.
Yeah, I know.
Used to this get life on the regular. One shot, two shot up in the head, you know. So do not make it start me, I beg you now. Why one in your bed, you know? Used to this get life on the regular. One shot, two shot up in the head, you know. So do not make it start me, I beg you now. Why one in your bed, you know? Give me what they know, then me I go tell you no. Someone a fire when me people slow down.
That'll work.
That'll work, baby.
Okay. So I decided, as y'all see, we are done, and no job ends, but it ends just like this. Here's your shirt, young man.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let the world see what you're working with, man. I even got one of y'all hoodies your brother gave me for the construction company.
You got your hoodie?
Yeah, he got me a hoodie, because I got him one of my hoodies. I happen to have an extra one I made. As y'all saw, it's Rob from Money's Car Stereo. Bam, we in there. And y'all heard it, he played his reggae. So.
Week like last week, week like last week, week like last week.
What's the next move about to see? What's the color design gonna be?
We're going in tomorrow morning.
Oh, okay, okay.
Tomorrow morning. We're gonna do like mostly all red and I'll work it out in the morning.
Okay, when y'all look at it, y'all gonna design together. Okay.
I'm going down there in the morning with it.
All right, for sure. So we actually ahead of schedule, cause we right on. Right on time. Okay, for sure. All right, Money's Car Stereo, another episode, and we out of here. A lot of times, man, what you got in your hand? I saw I put something in your hand. You trying to put something in my hand?
Well, you give out t-shirts and so do we, man. It's a company shirt I like you to have.
Stones Concrete.
Yeah, Sione'S Concrete, right here from the Bay Area.
Okay, for sure. Man, you said something about that color, man. What is that? Y'all company colors right there?
Oh, folks don't know they supporting the company, but they also supporting the Seattle Seahawks, man.
Oh,
I'm born and raised in Seattle.
Oh,
man.
okay. So it's
get them undercover like that.
Y'all heard that? Just like that Seahawk fan in the house. We in Niner Land, but it's all good. Come and support.
It's all love.
All right, for sure.
Man.
And that red and black go with this just fine. Gotta go. Hey, y'all, I was just telling my man, sharing a story about some chrome bolt scenario, because he's telling me he wanted to be super stock clean with his little touch to it. And I was telling him about my man who went a little too hard and regretted it. He was looking at his engine down here, and you got these casing bolts right here, especially that one right there. And he had some motor work. And so what he did was, man, he said, Rob, man, that screw right there is annoying me, man. It ain't matching the rest of them. Well, he had the ones on the Allens on the outer primer and all stuff. He pulled that screw out and put another one back in. Come to find out, when the motor work got done, the cylinder walls that got bored with the screw in place tightened up. So it's already sheared, cut where it needs to be at.
Oh, shit.
He put a full screw back in it. That's not cut. Destroyed the both pistons at all at the same time, because he was trying to be pretty. I said, why you just put a plastic one over top of it? Nah, man, I had to. Cost me a whole bunch more money, a few thousand later, to figure out what I did wrong. So y'all got to be careful when y'all exchanging things and not knowing why it is the way it is. But once again, man, I like to let y'all see what I see. He got the little accents over here. It's the simple things that make you say, like that front rim. That's what is that, 23 or 21? 21, so you had...
21, but I put an oversized rotor on it so it looks bigger.
Oh, that's the illusion I was looking at. I said, man, did he have one made, or did he... But yeah, the rotor, that's 13-inch rotor, right? Yeah. Okay. Now I'm looking at it and I'm seeing, it's all in detail. Like even your bell over there got a little red on him. Yeah. I'm just saying, y'all.
You can't put that 13 on that 21, but I machined all this to work. All this got machined so it'll fit.
Okay, like I said, it's all in the details. The tolerances is tight, so yeah. But I thought it was a 23 for the longest. I just stared at it. I said, hey. That rotor's off a bit. I said, yeah, 23. I said, I don't know. That's all I gotta say, y'all. We gotta go. Too many things in detail. Out of there. On to the next one.